following video is a 2002 HAAS VF-2 CNC vertical machining center. This machine has a side mount tool changer. It happens to be in very good condition, especially for the age of the machine. We're going to run the axes and then the spindle. First thing we'll do is we'll show Y-axis. Your X. Z. Shall tool change. We're going to start out at 1,000 RPM. Start out at 1,000 RPM. This machine has a 2-speed gearbox, so you can see the machine shift into low range. It shifted, went into low range. This is 1,500 RPM in low range. Next, we'll bring up to 2,000. You'll see it shift into high gear. Now 3,000 RPM, it already shifted into high range. That's 3,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. $6,000 RPM. And lastly will be top speed of the spindle, which will be 7,500 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Now if we go back to 1,000 RPM, she'll shift back into low range. And it shifted into low range. Again, the preceding video is a HAAS VF-2 new 2002.